Hello, nice people. How are you doing? Sorry, I'm having a cold, so I don't know if my voice will be that clear, but I'll try and make it a bit louder. So, if you're new here, karibu sana, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always getting time to watch my content. So, guys, to the new subscribers, or it's their first time to watch, kindly consider subscribing. In this channel we usually do homemaking videos, everything to do with cooking, cleaning, motherhood and everything. So in today's video, guys, I decided to share with you my evening, what I was doing on this specific evening. So I decided to make some mandazis for the next day's breakfast. So I usually make my mandazi using the X unga, the mandazi one that is already fortified. That's the unga I usually do. So it is always easier for me to use it. So what I'm only going to add in it was some sugar, blue band, and some milk. That's what I used in kneading my dough. So I'm going to knead the dough until it is way soft and it cannot stick on my hands, as you can see. Then I'll apply some oil on top. Then I'll cover the dough for some, I think, 1 hour. Then I'll come and show you the next step, guys. So guys, this is after the 1 hour. You can see my dough is very soft. You can see it doesn't even stick on my hands, you can see. So I'm going to cut the dough into few pieces, like 4. Then I'll start making the shapes and frying my mandazi. So guys, stay tuned as I make the mandazis.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done rolling down the dough into the triangle shapes. As you can see they are a bit thin. So on the other side, my oil was on fire and it had already heated. So guys, when making the mandazi, make sure your oil is not too hot so that your mandazis can can get well cooked from inside. So when you put a lot of heat, or when you leave your oil to be hotter, your mandazis might not cook from the inside. So guys, continue watching as I continue doing the mandazis. So I'm just going to keep on turning them until they become golden brown. As you can see, they are now like that. Then I've removed the first batch, then I was going to the second one. So stay tuned and I'll show you my final outcome of the mandazis.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
So guys, I'm done frying the mandazis. As you can see, they are really soft. They were very soft guys, and yummy too. So the next thing I was going to do was to prepare supper. So for supper, we were just going to have ugali, some greens, and scrambled eggs. Yeah, so that's what we are going to have for our dinner. So guys, continue watching as I continue doing the cooking. So as I said earlier, please, if you are new here to this channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share guys, so that you can help my channel grow. Please I humbly request you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, continue watching as I continue finishing up with my dinner preparation. So after making the ugali, I'll go on and fry my greens, that is the kales. Then I'll finish up by doing the scrambled eggs. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't.
So guys, don't worry about my soup. I have a baby, so soup is a must. So the next thing I was going for was the scrambled eggs. So yeah.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. All the pain.
So guys, as you can see, this is the final outcome of my dinner. The food was really yummy and we enjoyed it. So guys, next I was going to wash the dishes that we had used during our dinner. I usually love it when I leave my sink clean, so that in the morning when I wake up I get my kitchen clean and just start preparing breakfast. That usually makes my work so much easier compared to when you wake up in the morning, then you start with the dishes before doing your breakfast. So this one really is time saver for those who wake up very early. So if you've been able to watch my video till here, thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here today. And for the returnees, thank you so much for always getting time to watch my content. Kindly guys, like, comment, share to your friends, family, so that my videos can reach more audience. So till next time guys, continue watching as I finish up with my dishes, and for me it's a goodbye. See you on the next one.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?